Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, all Muslim brothers. This video is very important for you because this is very important time for you watching this video because this is educational video for those things which are we using in our daily life, which are haram or is halal in the Islam. Let's see these videos and educate your mind for these things which we are using in our daily lives. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like video. Share this video in your friend groups and your family members to educate them for these daily life changings.